In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete invoice in Xero 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero to delete draft and awaiting approval invoices, and how to void an invoice when deleting isn't available. Start by signing into your Xero account. From the main dashboard, look for the sales area and open invoices. This is where all your invoices live and where you can filter by status to find the ones you want to remove. A quick but important note before we act. In Xero, you can only delete invoices that are in draft or awaiting approval. Deleting removes them from your records and can't be undone, so make sure you've picked the right invoice. If an invoice has already been approved or sent, you won't be able to delete it. In those cases, you'll void it instead to keep a clear audit trail. Let's start with draft invoices. In the invoices screen, switch the filter to draft. Locate the invoice you want to remove, open it to review the details, and confirm it's the correct one. When you're ready, click delete, then confirm the prompt to proceed. Xero will remove that draft invoice immediately. Next, let's handle an invoice that's awaiting approval. Change the filter to awaiting approval. Select the invoice you want to remove, double check the customer, totals, and dates, then click delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This clears out invoices that never made it to the approved stage. Now, if you're looking at your full list, you can switch the filter to all to browse everything. Open the invoice you need to cancel. If it's already approved or sent and the delete option isn't available, use the three-dot menu in the invoice view, choose void, and confirm. Voiding stops the invoice from being used while preserving a record of it in your books, which is helpful for compliance and internal tracking. A couple of quick tips as you work. You won't be able to delete invoices that have payments, credit notes, or allocations applied. Voiding is the safer route in those cases. Make sure you have the right user permissions in Xero to delete or void invoices. And always confirm you're working with the exact invoice you intend to remove, especially when filtering large lists. That's it. Log in, head to sales and invoices, delete draft or awaiting approval invoices, and void those that can't be deleted. Follow these steps and you'll keep your invoicing clean and accurate in just a few minutes.